And this is the mountain that I'm staying at in the base of Sedona. There's Jack taking a picture. Hi, Jack!
See the cowboy up there? The shadow on the wall?
There's a shadow on the wall, a cowboy.
You can see the hat and the face and the belly.
Oh, yeah!
It's pretty remarkable.
That is amazing. It's amazing with the various things that are in the rocks.
Like, that's a shadow you would never...
Well, these rocks are quite magical.
Are you recording video?
Yes, I am. This is Jack. Jack is a year 2 student. Ah.
No, I'll go around the camera.
We're rambling. Oh, thank you. I should have twisted it. Oh, here we go. Here we go. On camera, smoochie.
Ah, now we're talking.
And there's some
talking.
Wow, baby. There's some puppies. Oh, is a turtle out? Yeah, these people have a turtle somewhere. And of course we're in Arizona, so there has to be chihuahuas.
Oh, here's the turtle right there.
Where's the turtle?
Hey, Colonel.
There's the turtle. And this is the idea of a house pet here in Arizona. And there's a vicious... Hi, puppy. Just great. Hello. He's cool. Oh, buddy boy.
Show.
He's pretty young, too. I think the guy was saying he's less than 10 years old. Hi.
Someone said 15 years old.
Hi, boy.
He ain't good looking.
He's pretty quick for a turtle.
I think that's what I heard. Oh.